You're watching the Fox 5 Morning News at 9.
All right, this weekend is a time to thank our dads for all that they do. I have a dad at home that I have to thank tremendously because he holds down the fort with all 4 kids that I get to work all day. We'll get to that in just a minute. Somebody's here. Debbie Kornberg is here to show us how you can spice up your Father's Day brunch. It's so good to see you. Okay, tell me your traditions. What do you guys do for Father's Day in your home?
Okay, well, my kids are adults, by the way, so they're 22 and 25. They're all home this summer, and we always make breakfast for my dad and for my husband, and we have everybody over, and it's just, you know, a warm family brunch time.
Look at these photos. Oh, yeah, look at your family.
Yes.
It's so much fun to be able to just get the family together.
Absolutely.
Okay, so you have an idea. I haven't planned much. I haven't planned much for Father's Day. Can we just show my family just to keeping 4 kids under control on live TV? I give up. Especially with Shaden.
Okay. And this is what it's like at home. So some suggestions to keep everybody.
Yes, busy.
Busy is making cards.
Okay.
Dad, don't look.
Dad, don't look.
And we are making yogurt parfaits here, so this is a great way to get the kids involved. You can take a little granola.
Oh, Chef Arshawn, you can make a yogurt parfait for Bruce. Daddy Bruce, you want to make some?
Yeah. Or chocolate. Throw in a surprise piece of chocolate in there. That would be awesome. I like the way you think. Okay, so we're bagels, lox, and cream cheese kind of family.
Oh, this is so good.
Yes.
Easy. You can set up a little platter and then everybody come and stack it and build it.
With that said, we're also a waffle family.
Waffles.
So these are cheese waffles.
Cheese waffles?
There's cheese inside the batter. The recipe is already up on As Seen Fox 5 San Diego, so
I've never had a cheese waffle.
That's like my husband's favorite. It's a sharp cheddar. It's an Irish sharp cheddar.
Oh, my word.
So it's in the batter. I didn't have enough space to put all the ingredients out, but it's there. And, of course, we have some avocado toast because, you know, sometimes want to enjoy that.
Yeah, because you want to have like a little buffet.
Is there, I'm afraid to ask somebody to help us.
Arshawn, would you like to help put the waffle in the waffle machine? He's out of the 4 children I have at home. He's the one that has the most interest in cooking usually. Come on over.
Nice.
Keep drawing for Daddy. Come on over. Okay.
All right, so waffle maker is hot.
This is what we're going to do for Bruce, okay? Don't touch this. Got it?
Yeah, but you're going to take that and pour it in. It's thick. So go ahead and put it right in there. Just plop it in. You got it. And I'm going to help you. There we go. One more scoop.
It's getting the kids involved.
Yeah.
Right? Because this day, Bruce is not my father.
Give it a good yank. There you go. And one more scoop. And then we're going to mush it around. So inside this batter is flour, a little bit of cornmeal.
Got it.
Eggs, cheese, and I actually separated the eggs and whipped the egg white so it'll make it a little fluffier. Perfect. Thank you very much. I'm going to move this around.
Thank you, Arshawn.
Wait, will you close the lid for me? Yeah.
The top? Put it down?
Yeah.
There you go.
There you go.
You were responsible now for making breakfast for
There you go. Awesome.
That's it. That's it. All done.
Thank you.
Easy.
Your work here is done.
Easy.
Okay, on top of the cheese waffles, we have a veggie sausage.
Okay.
And eggs. So I sunny side up an egg here. So we'll put this on top.
So you put a sausage underneath it?
Yeah, and then I lay that on top. And then we could, you know, zhuzh it up a little. But really, for the dads, what makes this special is the Whistle Pig bourbon maple syrup, or any bourbon maple syrup you have, but it smells good. And then you can just drizzle some of that on top, and you are good to go. I'm generous with it.
So simple and fun. Debbie, you always make cooking like fun in the kitchen and doable and beautiful.
Do you have a special surprise for it?
Well, I mean, you kind of saw the surprise, waiting to do it at the end, but you know, like, this is my better half, Bruce.
Oh.
Yeah.
Hello.
And he is the father of the 4 children.
Yes.
And my husband, by the way, and also who helps manage these kids when I get up at 3 in the morning to come to work. So, honey, look what Fox 5 did for you. And Debbie made you a whole entire breakfast. There you go. Happy Father's Day. Thank you to you and all the daddies for everything that you do, and I get to spoil you.
There we go. Yum, yum.
Happy Father's Day.
And, oops, just checking on our waffle. Looking good.
Raul, this one will be yours. We're going to cook it for our other papas that are here.
It's cooking. It's cooking.
I love it. Debbie, thank you for being here. So the recipe for the cheese waffles FoxHighSanDiego.com. Click the little seat on top. Or Shia, you can send it to break. Are we sending it to break? We're sending it to break. Can you show everybody your card? See? Get the kids to make their own cards. Why go buy them when you can make them?
Absolutely.
We'll be right back. Happy Father's Day.
Thank you.
Happy.